Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm with my friend Diesel. Today we're playing Monkey Explorers. Yeah, we're playing Monkey Explorers. Hi. But should be going around the map shop, and we're gonna go to Forest right now. This is Forest, nothing special, but yeah, this is gonna be the new horror.
I just said that's gonna be the new horror.
It is, yeah. But yeah, R.I.P. Bob. He fell from up there.
You smell my idea. I'm hunting you.
This is moderator. Only moderators can get in there. Or need to release myself, but I had to get you know, like license and stuff. But this is Zero Gravity.
Zero Gravity in the movie theaters.
And the movie theaters are right here. And lights. And the cool thing about the couch, you can actually bounce on it. That's what I like about the couches. It's pretty fun. Don't do it at home. It's bad. I'm a simp too. I'm a simp also. The S stands for sniper. The I stands for eyes. Sniper eye. Sniper monkey. Monkey. And then there's the projector. I don't think it works like that. Yeah, it doesn't. Someone filled that on TikTok. Yeah, you can get up here. But in 3 years, that's how many fingers I have. 3 years, I will have my own game. 4 years. Yeah. R.I.P. Bob. What does R.I.P. stand for? What does R.I.P. actually stand for?
Wait, I'm gonna try to see something secret.
Peace? Rest in peace? I thought it meant rest in pieces. I don't know why. I did. I'm gonna go up there. I can't get up there, but I can. Yeah, I can get up there. Yep. But you can get kicked from this game and banned eventually. There's only 2 cosmetics. Top Hatch is my favorite. ATM by Viable Mods. The ATM is not right now. Well, not available right now. But cookies, you earn 100 cookies every day. But yeah. Sponsor to Diesel. Sponsor to him. This guy right here.
Hey, you wanna race to all I do Zero Gravity?
Okay, go.
I don't really care. I don't even know. Wait, I didn't say the timer yet. I didn't say a timer.
Okay, first one, the forest from all the way up here. Come here. Hey, come here. Come on this blue dot thing. Oh, you're kind of stuck in the air. How about let's all race? Let's all race to the forest. Alright. So, 3, 2, 1, go. I didn't cheat. I'm winning.
In 3, 2, 1, go.
We're racing back. And you have to go to that blue dot.
I won!
Yeah, Spear guy won. First place, I won second. Diesel third. And that other guy, I think he left. But you can put your arm through here, but you can't go in there because you have to have admin. Hey, shout out to FGS. He's an admin, and Caden's really mean. Taco, Sleepy, and Sprite, you're good. These two good, and Bread.
I gotta go try a different knockoff.
But
Different knockoff.
bye. But yeah, that's all it's gonna be going for today. Just
Guys, you can only go one way.
But yeah, I'm just doing a tutorial of this game. Shout out to Sprite because he made this game. So yes, it's free. It's not fully made yet, but I have great hope for the future of this game because it has well, what's that word thing well, it has a good future to me. This game just like sparkles in my eyes. So everyone, like, subscribe, put hashtag any animal or anything, yeah. And if you like animals and like my videos, put hashtag duck yeah. So like, subscribe, and comment that, and have a good day. And yes, Monkey Explorers. Bye.